Yuma?
Oops.
Nice job! That sure spoiled the mood!
I can't help it if my food tank's running on empty.
What is it, Yuma? Are you all right? Are you... Huh?
I'm hungry. So hungry.
How can you think of food at a time like this?
It's not me who's thinking of food, Astral. It's my stomach.